Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make quesadilla bread. First, combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of baking powder in a large bowl. Mix these dry ingredients thoroughly. Next, add 2 tablespoons of oil and 3/4 cup of warm water. Stir until a shaggy dough forms, then turn it out onto a lightly floured surface. This initial step sets the foundation for delicious bread. Now it's time to knead your dough. Work it for about 5 to 7 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. This process develops the gluten, which is crucial for the bread's texture. Once kneaded, shape the dough into a ball and lightly coat it with oil. Cover the bowl with a clean cloth or plastic wrap and let it rest for 20 minutes. This resting period allows the gluten to relax, making the dough easier to work with. After resting, divide your dough into 8 equal pieces. On a lightly floured surface, roll each piece into a thin, 6-inch round. Aim for an even thickness to ensure consistent cooking. Heat a griddle or a non-stick pan over medium-high heat. Cook each quesadilla bread round for 1 to 2 minutes per side until golden brown and slightly puffed. Don't overcrowd the pan, cook them in batches if necessary. Your homemade quesadilla bread is now ready to enjoy. Serve it warm, either plain or as the perfect base for your favorite quesadilla fillings. Think melted cheese, seasoned meats, or fresh vegetables. This versatile bread is fantastic for quick meals or snacks. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 2 days. Reheat gently for the best taste and texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.